Hello everyone. And welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss how to choose a programming language for your machine learning project. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. Choosing the right programming language for a machine learning or ML project is a crucial decision that can impact the development process, performance, and scalability of your application. There are several factors to consider when making this choice, and a thoughtful decision can lead to a more efficient and successful project. In this guide, we'll explore the key considerations in selecting a programming language for your machine learning project. 1. Project requirements. Start by clearly defining the requirements of your machine learning project. Consider the type of data you'll be working with, the complexity of the algorithms, and the scale of the project. Different programming languages have strengths and weaknesses in various aspects of machine learning, so understanding your project's specific needs is essential. 2. Libraries and frameworks. Machine learning often involves the use of specialized libraries and frameworks that provide pre-built functions and tools. Python is widely recognized as a dominant language in the ML community due to its rich ecosystem of libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and Keras. These libraries simplify the implementation of complex algorithms and accelerate development. 3. Community and documentation. Consider the size and activity of the programming language's community. A strong community ensures a wealth of resources, online forums, and documentation, which can be invaluable during the development process. Python, for example, has a large and active community with extensive documentation and tutorials available, making it easier for developers to find help and resources. 4. Performance requirements. Evaluate the performance requirements of your machine learning algorithms. Some languages, like Python, are known for ease of use and readability but may not be as performant as lower-level languages like C++ or Java. If your project demands high performance, especially for large-scale data processing or real-time applications, you might need to prioritize languages that offer better runtime performance. 5. Integration capabilities. Consider how well the programming language integrates with other tools and systems. Python, for instance, is known for its seamless integration with various databases, web frameworks, and visualization tools. This integration flexibility can be crucial for building end-to-end machine learning applications that interact with different components. 6. Skill set of the development team. Assess the expertise of your development team. The familiarity and proficiency of your team with a particular language can significantly impact development speed and code quality. If your team is already well-versed in a language like Python, leveraging their existing skills might be more efficient than introducing a new language. 7. Industry standards and trends. Stay informed about industry standards and trends in machine learning. Python has become a de facto standard for ML development, partly due to its extensive ecosystem and community support. Being aligned with industry trends ensures access to the latest tools, techniques, and best practices. 8. Scalability. Consider the scalability requirements of your machine learning project. If you anticipate the need to scale your application to handle larger datasets or increased computational loads, languages like Java or Scala, which are known for their scalability, might be more suitable. 9. Deployment and production considerations. Think about how your machine learning models will be deployed and maintained in a production environment. Some languages, like Java or C++, are preferred in production systems due to their performance and resource efficiency. Ensure that the chosen language supports your deployment strategy and integrates well with deployment tools and platforms. 10. Regulatory and security compliance. If your machine learning project involves sensitive data or operates in a regulated industry, consider the security features and compliance of the programming language. Languages with strong security features and compliance measures may be essential for meeting regulatory requirements. Conclusion: choosing a programming language for your machine learning project involves a thoughtful analysis of your project's specific requirements, the capabilities of the development team, and the broader context of the industry. While Python is a popular choice due to its extensive libraries and community support, other languages like R, Java, and C++ also have their merits based on specific project needs. Ultimately, the key is to align the strengths of the chosen language with the unique demands of your machine learning application, ensuring a robust and efficient development process from start to finish. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.